Before we send our SketchUp file to 3D Max, there are some important things we need to do in our SketchUp file, guys. One of them is that you should work regularly, groups and components. When you select any object, it should actually be selected this way. If you don't know about groups and components, you need to go back to the basic lessons to learn what groups and components are. When you select any object, it should actually be selected like this. If you do not know the group and component parts, you need to go back to the basic lessons and learn what group and component are. There are plenty of tutorials on our YouTube channel about this, friends. If you've worked with Vray, Enscape, or other render engines, clean up leftover models and lights, deleted Enscape light info, went to model info, and used Purge in the static section to clean the file. If your 3D Max is older, like 2022, save your SketchUp file in a version lower than 2022. In this process, I had light info from Enscape, so I deleted, and then from the window, I went to model info and used the purge option from the static to clean up the file. After that, I saved my file from the file to get it ready. The next part is if your 3D Max ver is older, like 2022, then your SketchUp file also needs to be saved in a ver lower than 2022. I went to the extension. The next part is if your 3D Max version is an older version, like 2022, then your SketchUp file also needs to be saved in a version lower than 2022. I've come to the extension section, guys. I converted this part to 2017 using the Alt Save plugin, guys. Look, I saved this as SketchUp 2017. After saving my file, the next thing I'll do is go back to 3D Max, head to the File section, and then go to Import to load my file. From there, guys, when I call it 2017, it will now be compatible with my file in a stable way.